Since so many people liked the recent video called Why Space Stocks Are Going on a Spring Offensive, here are 3 more stars to keep an eye on. The first of these potential supernovas comes from Amazon, reportedly being in advanced discussions to acquire satellite communications firm Globalstar in a deal valued at around $9 billion. The potential acquisition does make some sense when considering Amazon's growing ambitions in space-based connectivity and infrastructure. If negotiations are indeed ongoing, complexities would still need to be worked out because of the involvement of Apple, which owns a 20% stake in Globalstar, so it just has to be part of the discussions. Moving further away from Earth, Redwire announced a key role in Artemis II, NASA's first crewed mission in its Artemis lunar program. Redwire is supplying advanced imaging and navigation technology for the Orion spacecraft, under contracts with Lockheed Martin, NASA's prime contractor for Orion. Its Orion camera system includes 11 internal and external cameras designed for inspection, navigation, and public engagement. These cameras will capture high-resolution images and 4K video, live streaming both interior and exterior mission activity, including critical phases such as deployment and crew operations. A key component is the optical navigation camera, which supports spacecraft positioning by feeding imagery into machine vision systems that determine Orion's trajectory relative to Earth. Redwire is also providing coarse sun sensor assemblies for the spacecraft's service module, enabling precise alignment of solar panels for power generation. When looking at the defense and security side of space, Kratos secured a new contract worth up to $49 million from the U.S. Naval Surface Warfare Center. The award covers the production of Oriole solid rocket motors and thrust vector control systems, which are used in suborbital testing and hypersonic research. The base contract includes approximately $39 million for rocket motors, with an additional $10 million option for control systems. Kratos' Oriole platform is positioned as a cost-effective and rapidly deployable solution for missile defense testing and experimental programs. These systems are crucial in maintaining consistent test schedules for evolving national security needs, particularly in areas like hypersonic weapons development.